In today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine lines in AutoCAD. If you've ever traced a shape with separate segments and wish they behaved as one object for editing, hatching, offsetting, or measuring, this walkthrough is for you. We will cover the two most common ways to do it, explain what each one does, and give you tips to get clean, predictable results. First up is the join command, which is the quickest option in most situations. Type J or join in the command box and press enter. Now select all the lines, arcs, or polylines you want to merge into a single object. You can click them individually or use a selection window, either way is fine. When you've got everything you want, press enter again to finish. AutoCAD will connect any segments that meet end to end, turning them into a continuous polyline where possible. If some pieces don't join, it usually means here is a tiny gap, a slight overlap, or the objects aren't meeting perfectly at their endpoints. Join works best when the segments actually touch and are on the same plane. When it succeeds, you'll notice the entire shape behaves like one object, making later edits much easier. Now let's look at PEDIT or Polyline Edit. This method is especially helpful when you are starting with individual lines and want to ensure the result is a true polyline you can manage and modify consistently. Type PE or PEDIT and press enter. Select one of the lines you want to include. AutoCAD will ask if you want to convert it to a polyline. Type Y for yes. You are now inside the Polyline Edit options. Type J for join, then select the remaining lines you want to combine and press enter to complete the command. AutoCAD will absorb any connected segments into that new polyline. Just like with join, the pieces need to meet cleanly at their endpoints for the merge to succeed. The advantage of PEDIT is that you explicitly create a polyline first, which can make downstream tasks like setting widths or editing vertices more consistent. If something doesn't combine, it's typically due to small gaps or misaligned endpoints. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.